Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and I'll show you the normal face unlock test and with the faster face recognition. And the first one will be the normal unlock test with a normal face unlock. I'll do this with the help of the stopwatch, and we'll see how much time takes each of methods. The first one will be the normal face unlock, and I'll make it 5 tries. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 seconds. So don't forget this water. And just now I'll try to do this with the fast recognition. I'll just enable this option. As can you see, it's turned off right now, and just to turn it off you should here click to the switcher, and now we'll check the faster recognition. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that was 5 and 6, 5 and 7. So as can you see, the difference is between the 1.5 seconds. So I think that using the faster recognition will better, because you'll just you can just don't waste your time and unlock your device fastly than with the normal face unlock. So if you just like some unlock methods like the face recognition or the fingerprint scanner, you can also see our fingerprint scanner test on our HardReset.Info channel. And by the way, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.